Want to turn your images into stunning masterpieces? Today, I'll show you how to fully use the gradient tool in Photoshop for dynamic backgrounds and refined lighting. Let's get started. Open your image in Photoshop. To isolate your subject, navigate to Select Subject. If Photoshop leaves tricky spots unselected, use the polygonal lasso tool or magnetic lasso tool to refine the selection. Hold Alt to subtract from the selection for precise edges. Invert your selection by going to Select Inverse. This lets you work on the background while keeping the subject intact. Create a new layer by heading to Layer, New Layer. Name it Gradient Effect or anything else you like, and click OK. Find the Gradient tool in the toolbar on the left. It looks like a gradient bar. For quick access, press G on your keyboard. At the top of the screen, explore the Gradient Tools options bar, including Gradient Preview, Gradient Type, Mode, Opacity, Reverse, Dither, and Transparency. Choose a foreground and background color for a quick gradient. Click the Gradient Preview arrow and select Foreground to Transparent to naturally blend light. Set the blending mode to Screen for a soft window light effect. To reverse the gradient direction, check the reverse box. Enable Dither for smoother transitions. Click and drag to apply the gradient on your image. Remember, the gradient starts with the foreground color where you click and ends with the background color where you release. Open the gradient editor by clicking the Gradient Preview. Explore preset gradients or create your custom gradient by double-clicking the color stops under the gradient bar. Adjust the colors using the color picker and tweak opacity by clicking the stops on top of the gradient bar. Click OK when done. The Gradient tool offers multiple styles like linear, radial, angle, reflected, and diamond gradients. For this image, I'll use a radial gradient with vibrant colors to highlight the subject. Drag and apply the new gradient to refine your image. Let's explore advanced gradient editor features. Click New to save your custom gradient. Switch to Noise for a textured effect and adjust roughness to control the texture intensity. Use Restrict Colors to ensure web-safe gradients or enable Add Transparency for transparent areas. The Randomize button generates unique gradients for creative inspiration. Once satisfied, click OK and apply the gradient with a simple drag. With these features, the Gradient tool makes transforming images effortless. From refining lighting to creating vibrant backgrounds, the possibilities are endless. Let me know your thoughts on this method in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks. See you in the next video.